Pichai asked to act against bloatware on Android devices by 50 privacy groups. Over 50 privacy groups have asked Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai to act against pre-installed apps that cannot be deleted, also called bloatware, from Android devices. They argued these apps pose a security risk to customers. Devices by Android partners carry Google Play Protect branding, but research shows 91% of pre-installed apps don't appear in Google Play. Organizations said Segway's wheelchair-like vehicle crashes into wall during first public demo. Segway's transportation pod that resembles an egg-shaped wheelchair crashed into a wall during the first public demonstration of the prototype. That cost an estimated multi-million dollars in development. The journalist at Segway, who accidentally accelerated the S-pod, did not suffer any injuries in the incident. The self-balancing S-pod can ferry people around enclosed campuses like airports. People find pictures of their dead loved ones on Google Maps Street View. Hundreds of people are finding photos of their deceased loved ones using the Street View option on Google Maps. Earlier this week, a woman tweeted a 13-second screen recording of Google Maps Street View that showed her deceased grandfather at a Mexico pharmacy. Our tissue box is officially empty. Thank you for sharing this. Google Maps responded to her tweet. One lacked small traders to protest against Jeff Bezos during his stay in India. The Confederation of All India Traders, CAT, which represents around 7 crore retailers, said it will protest across 300 cities during Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos' stay in India. We expect to mobilize at least 1 lakh traders in the protest, CAT said. Bezos will visit India next week for a company event in Delhi and potential meetings with government officials. Alphabet chief legal officer retires amid probe into affairs with employees. Alphabet's chief legal officer David Drummond is retiring from the company on January 31. In November, Alphabet's board opened a probe into how executives handled misconduct claims months earlier. A former Google employee disclosed Drummond's extramarital affair with her, alleging she was forced out of her job after becoming pregnant with his child. He recently married another Google employee.